If you'd like to see how I got this glitter eye look, keep watching.
Hey, alright, so I know I look dusty right now, but trust me, we're gonna get it together. I'm trying to set my edges right now, and I already did my eyebrows and put on some concealer on my lids. Alright, so let's go ahead and get right into the video. So I'm gonna be using one of my old palettes, the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk. One of my old ones, but I absolutely like this palette. So first I'm going to go ahead and go in with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to use Blazing, which is this color right here.
Okay, now I'm not a professional. Everything that I'm doing in this video is based off of my experience and everything that I've learned in the past.
All right, so next I'm gonna go in with Amethyst, which is this pretty purple color. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take the brown shade. Honestly, I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's like Oud? Yeah, that one though. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm just going to kind of do like a cut crease. So now I'm gonna take a wet brush. I wet it with rose water, and I'm just going to use Cosmo, which is this one right here. All right, so now I'm gonna go back in with that brown shade and the purple one, just to kind of blend everything in.
Now I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer and put that all over my face. I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte and Classic Tan. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks Matte Skin Stick in the color Sand. For my second concealer, I'm going to be using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and the color Caramel. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using the Sasha Buttercup Setting Powder. To contour my face, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder in 360 Mocha. Now I'm going to be using that same product but in the color 355 Coconut. I use this shade to kind of bring everything together.
Okay, so now I'm going to take the same brown shade and the amethyst and I'm going to put it under my eyes.
The lashes I'm going to be using today are going to be Pony Fly in the style Rome. I'm using my Dior Pump and Volume HD mascara to give my eyelashes some more volume. I'm going to be lining my lower lash line with the NARS Larger Than Life Longwear eyeliner.
Alright, and so for the inner corner, I'm going to take Nefertiti and Cashmere.
To highlight my face, I'm going to be using my favorite, the BH Cosmetics Carly Bible eyeshadow and highlighter palette. Now, to add some color to my cheeks, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Dark Blush Palette. And to gloss my lips, I'm going to be using the Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb, my literal favorite lip gloss. And to set my face, I'm going to be using the Mario Badescu Rose Water and the Urban Decay Slick Oil Control Setting Spray. For my second gloss, I'm going to be using the NYX Butter Gloss and Madeline, because I mean, you can't have too much lip gloss, right? If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.